How to create task list directly in Google Chat. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and on the search bar, search for Google Chat. Then click on the very first website, which is chat.google.com. Make sure that you have been signed into your Google account. Once you are signed into your Google account, you will automatically be signed into your Google Chat account as well. Then over here, you want to click on the space where you want to create your task list. Now here you're going to find different options. You want to select the third one, which is task. Now to add a space task, you first want to enter the title, then type in the details about this task. Once you have entered the details, you can also add date and time. Click on the add date and time option. Then from here, set a date and time and click on the OK option. Now you will have to assign this task to someone. For that, click on the assign option. Then type in the name of the person you want to assign it to. Once you have done that, click on the add option and that task is going to be added. Once the task has been completed, it is automatically going to disappear. And in this way, you can create more space tasks to create the list. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.